Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel.
Today, we're diving into one of the most unique and flavorful Filipino dishes ever created.
Adobong Garlic Balut. You may know balut as a famous street food, but did you know it also has a fascinating history and an incredible cooked version that takes the experience to a whole new level? Let's explore the origins of this dish and understand what makes Adobong Garlic Balut so special. Balut itself has a long history in the Philippines.
It is believed to have been inspired by a similar
Chinese egg tradition brought during pre-colonial trading. Over time, Filipinos developed their own version using fertilized duck eggs,
which eventually became balut, a food deeply connected to Filipino culture, late-night markets, and roadside vendors. For generations, balut has been enjoyed as a warm,
comforting snack, often eaten straight from the shell. On the other hand,
the cooking method, known as adobo, is one of the oldest Filipino culinary techniques, long before the Spanish arrived.
Early Filipinos were already simmering
meat in vinegar and salt as a way to preserve food in a tropical climate.
When the Spaniards encountered this style of cooking, they named it adobo, based on their own word for marinated dishes.
Over the centuries,
adobo evolved into the combination we know today: soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, bay leaves, and peppercorn. Adobong Garlic Balut is a modern fusion that brings these two
Filipino traditions together.
As balut grew more popular, cooks began experimenting with new ways to prepare it beyond simply boiling. One of the most delicious results is balut cooked in rich, garlicky adobo sauce. This twist makes balut more approachable
for people who want to try it but prefer a more familiar flavor.
So how is it made? The balut is gently removed from the shell and sautéed in a generous amount of garlic. Soy sauce, vinegar, bay leaves,
and peppercorns are added. Then everything is simmered on low heat. Because balut is delicate, it's handled carefully so it doesn't break apart. The sauce slowly thickens, coating the egg in a savory, aromatic glaze.
Some cooks add chili for a spicy kick, while others keep it mild and comforting. The result is a dish that's bold, flavorful, and deeply Filipino.
The garlic gives it a strong aroma.
The adobo sauce adds tang and umami, and the balut absorbs all those flavors beautifully. It's best enjoyed with warm rice, turning a once simple street food into a hearty meal.
Adobong Garlic Balut is more than just an exotic dish. It represents creativity,
history, and the Filipino love for combining tradition with new ideas.
It shows how our cuisine continues to evolve while honoring the flavors of the past.
If you enjoyed learning about this unique Filipino dish,
don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more food stories and culinary history.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.